In our previous vlog, we've wandered around in Hanoi and Hai Phong, two really big, noisy and crowded cities. That's why we've decided to drive to the hometown of my mother, the village Ian, to experience the familiar rural village life.
Dumi's cousins have guided us around the small village, and it was my first time standing in a rice field. Even all the children of the neighborhood excitingly joined us, because they have never seen a European person before. I was basically like an alien to them. While strolling around with our motorbikes, we've stumbled across a practice run of a Chungtu village performance, where different villages compete against each other as a celebration of the Vietnamese Moon Festival.
After spending the day with my family, we drove to the region of NINH BINH, which is really close to the village. NINH BINH and its landscapes is one of the greatest travel tips we can recommend. Compared to the world famous Halong Bay, it's neither overcrowded, polluted or overly expensive, because it's still pretty underrated as it's not a UNESCO World Heritage.
At Trang An, you should definitely go for a boat tour, priced at 200,000 dong, around 8 euros. You can choose between 3 routes through the impressive caves, and each one lasts more than 2 hours. By choosing one of the available tours, you'll get your own boat for up to 4 people and a personal boatman. There will also be several stops to look around the small islands, ancient temples and the subtropical flora and fauna of the NINH BINH region.
Afterwards, we've been at Hang Mua. There you have to climb up hundreds of stairs in the scorchy, humid heat, but all in all it was worth it, because you will never have a view like this again. From never-ending rice fields to unique rock formations, it will take your breath away, literally and figuratively. Hi guys! We just walked like thousands of stairs just to have this view, and it was so exhausting, and the stairs aren't that well, and yeah, what do you think? Was it worth it?
We are so exhausted.
I'm red like a tomato!
We are sweating so much. The last days have been exciting, from the big city life of Hanoi to the small rural village and the astonishing landscapes of NINH BINH. Monotonous is the last word to describe Vietnam, with its rich variety. But unfortunately, our time in North Vietnam was coming to an end, although a new adventure will follow.
scenes.
Du musst nochmal pusten, ich hab's nicht aufgenommen.
Okay. Behind the scenes, okay.
So, jetzt schnell rein ins Bild.
Okay.